It is on the Arbutsko-Pokrovskaya line, between Kuntsevskaya and Park Pogdy stations. Built as part of the stretch that bypasses most of the surface stretch of the Filyovskaya line, Slavyansky Bulvar serves the residents of the southwestern districts situated between the Fruzensky and Filyovsky radii. Originally the section between Kuntsevskaya and Park Pogdy was to have 2 stations instead of 1. The first one, Minskaya, was to be located on the western side of Moscow's Victory Park near the intersection of Minskaya Street and Kutuzovsky Avenue. Whilst the second station, Slavyansky Bulvar, was to be located on the southern side of the same Kutuzovsky Prospect in the Philly-Davidkovo district, next to the Slavyansky Boulevard, hence the name, construction of which began to a point where the future pit was ready for the tunnel boring shield. However, the prioritization of constructing a line to Strigino, and the importance of locking the bypass made the Moscow government change its original plan. Originally the station Minskaya was more favored, but under pressure of locals, the location of Minskaya would leave a provision for a station to be built in at a latter date, which could mean decades, and Slavyansky Bulvar was returned. However, the change of the track path meant that the station would now be on the northern side of the avenue, on the intersection with the Starorubliovskoy highway. The station, designed by architect S. Volovich, is to be a single vault design of shallow depth. The vault would rest on horizontal walls, due to the favorable hydro-isolation conditions that are present there. Internally the walls would be revetted with green Cuban marble Verde Guatemala, topped with aluminium profile onto which lighting elements would be fixed. Gray granite Alexandrovsky will cover the floor apart from platform edge, which will have a darker gabbro. The station has 2 underground vestibules and serves as a junction with surface urban traffic.